battery problem. My battery is not charging. If you guys can see here 88.8, so not charging. I have put in the charging, you guys can see this one, and it's also give me the indicator red here. So how you guys can investigate this problem? So if I unplug the charger, it will shut down. Look at this, you guys can see. Let me input again the charge. So I will start my laptop and I will enter to the BIOS pressing F2. So yeah, I have successfully entered to the BIOS by pressing into here. You guys can see battery information. You guys will click on this. So here you guys can see battery needs to be replaced. It means my battery has dead because it's almost 4 years old. So in my case, this is the solution to replace the battery.